Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you are now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I'm going to react on another SB19 video. I've found a video in here, their interview with Esquire Philippines. I'm going to be watching that. Esquire chats with SB19, Esquire Philippines. Let's go.
Pinakamahalaga yung maipakita mo na yung authentic self mo and yung relatability. And siguro po nakitaan nila ng talagang sincerity yung mga ginagawa namin.
Ooh. Esquire chats with SB19. Okay.
Kasi ngayon po, we're...
Okay, question ba yun? Anyways, you're celebrating your 6th anniversary this year. How has your creative process evolved over the years?
Kasi ngayon po, we're independent artists na po. So, we have our own company na. So, from before siguro po, syempre, nagsastart pa lang kami. We take so much ideas and parang medyo mas controlled po kami before. So, ngayon po, talagang fino-full out namin, nilalabas namin yung individuality and creative juices namin as an individual din po, as SB19 and as solos po. Tapos, ayun po, talagang mas controlled namin yung mga output po namin from before na we're still learning.
Yeah. You've done so many shows, especially during your overseas tour over the last year. What's the most memorable show so far?
Parang ang hirap po sagutin kasi talaga sa totoo lang po, memorable naman lahat ng subs namin. Kasi nga, hindi naman every time nakakapunta kami sa ibang bansa para i-meet yung mga fans namin. Pero if I'm to pick one, siguro po yung Toronto stop namin. Hindi pa po yung mismong concert. Meron po kaming moment na lumabas kami ng venue para lang magpahangin, pagmasdan yung mga paligid. Tapos may nakasalubong po kaming nanay. Tapos pagbaba niya po ng car, tumakbo siya papunta sa amin. Tapos nagsisisigaw siya, SB19, SB19. Parang almost hysterical na ata po yung ganun moment. Pero nakakatuwa lang po kasi kahit na anong edad, matanda, bata, parang na sinusuportahan pa rin po kami. And nakakatuwa lang na naaalala nila yung mga apo, yung mga anak nila sa amin. So, yun po yung memorable for me.
Galing. Galing nun. Napaka-touching nun. You opened the Asia Artist Awards, which was held right here in the Philippines last year. Yeah, that was really cool. Nakikisayaw pa yung mga Koreans doon na mga groups, right? Nakisayaw pa sa ganito nila. That was a pretty big deal. How did you mentally prepare for that? Yeah.
We've been preparing for it our entire life siguro our entire life. Siguro po ever since na sinimulan po namin yung journey na to, yung mga ganong stages po talaga yung nilook forward namin. And for us, parang siguro mas physical and siguro yung paano namin binuo during those times kasi marami kaming problema. In terms of siguro mentally prepare, parang mas gigil po kami sumampa sa stage during that time. So parang matagal na po namin talaga inaantay yung mga ganong klaseng opportunities. And we're very glad na isa po kami sa naimbitahan para mag-perform doon at nabigyan pa po ng awards.
Yeah. You've had some pretty amazing collaborations with local and foreign artists. Which other artists would you love to work with?
Collabs po, marami. Maraming kaming gustong mga collab na local artists and of course,
yeah, kasi nakakollab nila si Apple the App, right? Tapos si Glock9. I don't know yet other foreign artists.
International artists. Kung mabibigyan po ng chance, talagang super grateful and thankful kami. Kasi sa tingin po namin,
Pwede din si Bruno Mars, di ba?
right now, SB19 kasi parang sa dami na po ng mga songs din na na-release, nagawa ni SB19. Parang I think it will be a good record then for us to collaborate with other artists then just to show our other skills pa ng SB19. Masasabi natin other side ng SB19 kasi mahirap din for us to be to be always confident sa kung ano yung ginagawa namin palagi and for us to show and to showcase different sound naman with different artists, it's something na, and excited din yung fans na makita from us. So, local and international, marami po. Sana.
Okay. Well said. You've been dubbed the kings of P-pop. How do you feel about carrying the flag of the Philippines? Rashord.
Mas masasabi po namin na mas pressured kami sa future ng P-pop. Parang ganun. Kasi ever since naman po, yung talagang gusto namin, lumaki yung community and mas marami pang opportunities mabigay sa ibang artists. For us talaga, hindi po kami ganun ka-pressured as SB19. Parang the greater good yung mas nakaka-pressure po Kasi we've been doing this non-stop. Talaga medyo, kung makikita nyo nga po, paulit-ulit yung ibang question sa amin. Pero pare-pareho po namin na sinasabi na talagang may goal po kami for the OPM and P-pop itself. So yun po siguro yung pressure na masasabi namin. And we're very glad na ngayon po parang mas maliwanag na and mas marami po nabibigyan talaga din ng
sobrang serious nila, no? Tapos si Ken, di pa nakapagsalita.
Siguro spotlight. Not just syempre SB and si Bini, parang dumadami na rin po yung nagkakaroon pa na iba, and in the future mas marami pa po and mas madali pong siguro mas mabilis namin ma-reach yung goal ng sama-sama.
Yeah. You often engage in playful interactions with your fans. In an industry where image management is a crucial thing, how have you managed to create this kind of social media presence?
Isa po kasi sa pinakamahalaga yung maipakita mo na yung authentic self mo and yung relatability. Syempre parang ako po, kasi makakita akong stranger. Parang ang hirap lapitan kapag wala kang familiar na bagay na ipapakita.
Yeah.
And yung way po namin nakikipag-usap sa mga fans namin, sa mga supporters namin, it's the same way kung paano namin kinakausap yung mga kaibigan namin, yung mga family namin. And siguro po, nakitaan nila na
diba?
Talagang sincerity yung mga ginagawa namin. Kaya naman, mas tumindi yung pagsuporta po nila sa amin.
Yeah.
Pero yun po, authenticity, authentic self.
Some of your family members also get attention from fans. How do you ensure that boundaries are set?
To be honest po, at nung nagsisimula po, parang it's quite hard to explain sa family namin, sa parents namin, yung situation namin na we know we want to be, kasi syempre sila po gusto lang nila maging mabait, gusto maging supportive, and they are also very thankful sa fans. And siguro po, syempre sa amin, minsan hindi nila nakikita pero nakikita namin, and for us parang nagkakaroon nung yun nga po yung boundaries na nagse-step na over the boundaries, or yung privacy namin sa talagang nawawala na, especially din po when siguro yung importance din ng mga bagay na hindi na dapat i-disclose minsan na share syempre po kasi parang they're very nice din, kumbaga they don't want to be rude din sa mga fans. So yun po siguro sa amin talagang tinatry namin
So yung mga private na mga infos na si-share ng mga family nila to their social media or ganun, so maka-affect na sa kanilang career, for example.
And until now, talagang nag-explain pa rin kami sa parents namin na alam natin na gusto nating maging mabait, gusto nating magbalik, but we have to be safe, or but we have to protect something then, yung image, yung kung anong ginagawa natin sa bahay, sa buhay, yung mga projects namin, minsan baka nasuspoil na, ganyan. Yeah, safety din po, syempre yung address namin. Kasi although we know, we trust our fans, syempre po, we don't know din kung ano ba talaga, kasi ang daming tao, malawak yung mundo. So, parang anytime, baka kung ano yung mangyari, hindi natin alam. So, ayun po, slowly naman, naiintindihan na rin ng parents, and siguro yun po, nai-enjoy lang din talaga nila na meron silang bagong nakikilala, and nafe-feel nilang nakakapagbalik sila sa fans.
Yay! Oh, yun na? Okay, yun na. Okay, so that has been Esquire Chats with SB19, Esquire Philippines. Super humble talaga sila. Like, super cool. Napakasimple lang. Napakasimple lang talaga nila. And they just want their fans to be happy, of course. And very proud because they're still like they were before. Sobrang proud kasi nililift up talaga nila yung flag of our country. Way to go for SB19. Godspeed. Kung ano man yung mga gusto nila, diba? Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I'm gonna be watching other SB19 related videos in the next episode. For now, guys, thank you. Bye-bye.